Today's topic is decomposition. Okay, decomposition in DBMS. What is meant by decomposition? It name itself, decomposition is nothing but dividing. Decomposition is nothing but dividing. What we have to divide? Okay, whatever the table is there. Okay, this is the table. This is the original table. Okay, whatever the table or relation, both are same. Table or a relation, both are same. Whatever the table is there, we have to divide the table into two tables. We have to divide the original table into two. We have to divide. Okay, this is the table 1 and again this is the table 2. Okay, not only we have to divide the two tables, more than 2. We have to divide the table into more than 2. Okay, so on up to nth we have to divide the table. Okay, why we are dividing the table? In decomposition we have to divide the table into tn times. Why we are dividing? What are the goals? Okay, goals of the decomposition or why we have to divide. Okay, why we have to divide the table? Why we have to divide the table? Let us see. Okay, first point, we have to eliminate the redundancy. Okay, we have to eliminate the redundancy of a particular table. Okay, I have to explain the example also. We have to eliminate the redundancy by dividing the original table into tn times. It is based upon rules. Okay, based on rules only the table is dividing. Okay, I am explaining another definition. For example, we have to take R table. This is the R table. Okay, R table we have to divide into Rn times. This is the original table. Okay, original table divided into Rn times. Rn times means what is the rule means what we have to write for R and R1, R2, R3, R4 so on up to Rn means we have to combine. For example, R means original table equal to R1 union. Okay, we have to combine also R1 union, R2 union, R3 so on up to Rn. Okay, here R is the main relation, means original table. This is the main relation. Okay, relation means table. We have to divide it into number of sets. Okay, number of sets. This sets is called as a, okay, R1 union, R2 union, R3 union so on up to Rn. We call it as a schema. We call it as schemas. Schemas is nothing but R1, R2, R3, Rn. This is the main relation and this is the schema. Okay, we have to combine the R1, R2, R3. Let us take one example. For example, R is equal to X, Y, Z. Okay, we have to divide the original table into two. For example, R1 we have to divide X comma Y. Again R2 we have to divide Y comma Z. Okay, Y comma Z. Let us R equal to R1 union R2. This is the main decomposition like formula. not call it as a formula. We have to do. Okay, let next video I have to explain with example.